transfer model in your answer. Could you explain how it has shaped the course of your project?
Definitely. So build, operate, transfer model is a project delivery model. So it's a method adopted by the service provider to the client. So the major aspect of this model is the client no need to worry about what's happening inside. They don't want to have an investment in the registry itself. So no upfront cost, no license cost. So even the risk associated also is less.
Okay.
So on behalf of the client, so if we are adopting that model means TNP will act as a cloud service provider to the client, and we will build and operate, and we will even design the every model, and we will make it as a working increment.
Okay.
So what will happen is like the client will see the results prior to his investment. Their investment. So what will happen is like this model will start from designing, then building, then operating. So by the operating model itself, we'll take say example 10 sample of dealership. In that we will run this boat.
Okay.
So we will show them the results like through this service, the client will be able to address the customer grievances in the time that is required to them. So once they are feeling satisfied, or even if any additional requirements needed means, we will again work it upon. Or once it is satisfied means, if client is feeling like they can or do it on their own. So in that case means we will be able to transfer the entire prototype to the client. Then they can work it on their own. Okay. So this is the model methodology as such. So the major benefits, as I said, to the client is no upfront license cost. They don't want to keep a separate team, no extra IT infrastructure thing. Everything is being done by the service provider like TNP.
Okay.
So that is a major aspect of this particular BOT model.
Okay.
But at the same time, TNP is also getting benefit out of it. How means from the transfer stage itself. So initially we won't be getting any revenue as such, but from the transfer stage we will be getting a recurring revenue.
Okay.
As long as it goes, because I told you like more than 300 to 400 dealerships are there across the nation. So the volume matters. So in each dealership, if we work with upon this BOT model means it will take a time to complete the entire project. So that time this boat model will give monthly recurring revenue to the TNP. Thereby we can get more clients also, because this issue is addressing an entire industry. So we can showcase this particular aspect and particular issue in other brands, and we can again get the recurring revenue. So that's the major benefit.
Okay.